Is it the right time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Palantir. We previously published a report on our website on Monday, January 22, 2024. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. Keeping up with the latest developments is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please bear in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 19, 2024, our system has identified Palantir as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 4.85. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a growth of 4.89%. This translates to an average daily return of 2.44% since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a significant downward trend in the short term, indicating the possibility of further decline. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of -4.38% over the next 3 months. The potential return within this period ranges from -14.02% to 12.49%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 112.46% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 95.76% and 182.09%. In other words, the stock price could range from $34.45 to $49.65 after a year. Our latest update on Palantir's stock price reveals a gain of 4.89% on Monday. On the last trading day, Palantir's stock price increased from $16.78 to $17.60, marking a 4.89% gain. This positive trend has been consistent for the past 3 days. It will be interesting to observe if the stock continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the upcoming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $17.43 and a high of $18.35, showing a 5.28% fluctuation. In the last 10 days, the stock has risen in 6 instances, resulting in a 10.14% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also witnessed a positive trend, with 43 million more shares being traded compared to the previous day. The total number of shares bought and sold was 81 million, totaling approximately $1.43 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, Palantir's stock reached a high of $21.85 and a low of $5.84. Currently, the price stands at a 19.45% decrease from the 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of $4.25. Furthermore, it is 60.89% below the all-time high of $45, which was recorded on January 27, 2021. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 5, 2024, Jefferies gave PLTR a rating of underperform with a corresponding action of downgrade. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Wedbush rated PLTR as outperform and took a hold action. On Tuesday, September 19, 2023, Wedbush again rated PLTR as outperform with a corresponding action of hold. On Thursday, August 31, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave PLTR an underweight rating and took a downgrade action. On Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Raymond James rated PLTR as outperform and took a hold action. After careful analysis, experts have given Palantir stock a general buy rating. They highly recommend investing in this stock based on its strong PE ratio and price-to-book value, both of which are rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more cautious outlook, giving the stock a rating of neutral. Today, I'll be discussing the signals for Palantir to give you a clearer picture of its stock forecast. Looking at the chart, we can see mostly positive signals. The Palantir stock has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. However, it's important to note that there is a general sell signal from the relation between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there will be some support from the lines at $16.73 and $17.39. If the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Friday, January 5, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 10.14%. This indicates a further rise until a new top pivot has been found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Volume is also rising along with the price, which is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, there is a buy signal. Pivots, there was a buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger, there was a buy signal 11 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, there was a buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, there was a buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, there was a buy signal 29 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following. Short Moving Average, there was a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, there was a buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, there was a buy signal 4 days ago. Remember to visit our website at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. When it comes to Palantir, there are a few key factors to consider: support, risk, and stop loss. First, let's talk about support. Palantir currently has support from accumulated volume at $17.13. This means that when the stock price reaches this level, there is a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction. Now, let's discuss the risk involved. Palantir has average movements during the day, which means that the stock price can fluctuate. However, with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In terms of recent volatility, Palantir has shown a daily average volatility of 3.72% over the past week. This indicates that the stock price has been experiencing some fluctuations, but not to an extreme extent. Before we explore potential trading levels for Palantir, let's first cover some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings, providing insight into its valuation. Palantir has an exceptionally high PE ratio, which suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is anticipated to be released on February 12, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share are at $0.0800. These figures can have a substantial impact on stock prices, so it's worth keeping an eye on them. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Palantir. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir is at $17.97. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at $17.13. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The average rating for Palantir, as determined by multiple analyst sources, is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. Palantir Technologies Incorporated executed the 5 most recent insider trades, involving a total of 123,744 shares or options. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, our calculations indicate a negative insider power ratio of -20.834. In this period, insiders purchased 7,780,717 shares and sold 12,046,236 shares in total. Our recommended stop loss is set at $16.91, which represents a decrease of 3.9%. This stock exhibits moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 10 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Despite the stock being in a falling trend, there are several positive short-term signals indicating a potential buying opportunity. Our analysis of volatility and recent movements suggests that the current price is undervalued. On Tuesday, January 23, we expect Palantir to open up $0.193 and start trading at $17.79. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Now, let's talk about StockInvest.us. While we provide valuable information, it's crucial to understand that this information should not be the sole basis for your investment decisions. By using the information we present, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. We strongly recommend conducting thorough research and seeking professional guidance. Welcome to our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for the stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.